welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be just kind of playing with my dogs, but before we start I just want to say that I'm sorry for the background noise and that if the camera view is literally awful, but I just hope you guys enjoy. You're just gonna see my dogs literally go crazy. Well, let's carry on.
Are you both sitting for the treat? I see that face. I know what you want. Oh, Bailey. Want the treat? We'll come and get the treat. Come and... Ah! All right, okay. I'll give you the treat. Be a good girl, and you stay. You gotta stay, though, Bailey. Sit. Oh, that's a nice... But you gotta stay. Gotta stay, dogs. No, that's a bad girl. You're a bad girl. You know what, Bailey? You've been... You thought. Bulger, but this is your treat. It's your turn to earn the treat. Are you sad? Are you sad that I can't take the treat? What? No! Ah! Bailey, what are you doing? I'm going to play a trick on them where I'm going to throw it, but I'm not really going to throw it. Ready, dogs? Ready, Bailey? Okay, ready? Oh, are you confused? Are you confusion? You know where it is, Bailey. You're smart. It's right here, Bulger. You missed it. Come on, dogs. Come on, dogs. All right, jump, Bailey. Woo! Jump again. Whee! Jump. Woo! Oh, that wasn't a big jump. Watch, Bulger. Jump. Woo! Oh my goodness. Don't you? Ah! Bulger! Bailey! Oh. No. Bailey, you want to jump? Jump! Do you not want to move? Jump! Dogs! Bulger, you want the treat, don't you? Woo! Gosh! Oh my gosh! Is this Bailey? Is this what you want? You want that treat? No! Come on! Bulger, Bailey. Bailey! You did not just take that out of my hand! Bad girl! And you're the one on a diet! I mean, that size. You're the one on a diet, Bailey! How could you? That water has petals in it, Bailey! Don't drink the petals! Come back! Okay. You're actually the good dog. You were the bad dog. You took that treat right out of me. Because Bailey ate both of them. You don't get it. You want the treat? No. Oh, that's where the food is. Okay. You do not get the treats. You, Bulger. Gotta catch it, Bulger. Ready? Go. Good girl, Bailey. You know what you did. You know what you did to not deserve. Oh, those little eyes. Hey, dogs, come on. You want the treat? Gotta sit. You gotta lay down. No, you gotta lay down. Sit. Lay down. No. You know what? Easy. Come here. Good girl, Bailey. I know what you... All right, dogs, come on. Do you still want to come? Or do you just want the treats? Yep. Stepping out of that treat, aren't you? Bulger, Bailey. Oh, yes. Good girl, Bailey. And Bulger, sorry. Okay, you just want to run away from me? Oh, don't give me the stick. Give me that stick. Bulger, that's a big stick. Look how big that stick is. That's a big stick, Bulger. Oh, give me that stick. Come here. Oh, Bulger. Oh, no. What are you doing? What is she doing? Yeah, come here. Ah, give me that stick. Oh, no, don't go down there. Where are you going? Where's she going? Did she run up? Oh, there's Bear. You. Give me the stick. Give me the stick.
Okay, well, what did I tell you? Just saying. But anyways, I hope you guys like this, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and maybe even comment something. I really don't care what you comment, because sometimes I comment random things too. But anyways, bye guys!